Show you guys how to make a cone pack today. All the cones live in the top two cabinets. They go from low to high. Here's 011. You'll see it here, 011. Take two 011 cones to 04. Take two cone 5s here, two cone 7s here, and then two cone 10s. So recap, we have 011, 07, 57, 10. I'm gonna take my clay and roll it up into coils. And then I'm gonna put the cones in there. 011 is the lowest temperature, it's gonna melt first, so you put that at the end. Make sure the number is facing you, just push it down and secure it. Next one up, 04. Right there, boom. And then the next number is cone 5. To break this, make sure you hold it the thickest, fattest part of this, and just twist. Whoa. There we go. So here's cone 5. Push down. Cone 7. Alright, cone 7 is there. And cone 10. Oh, it's not so bad. I didn't put up a fight. But mine's sort of minimalistic.